How do I turn a spreadsheet into actionable tasks? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. Then we'll be formatting the response using the AI wizard by Workload before taking that response in order to create a new task in Google Tasks. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. I'm going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Sheets to Tasks. And I'm going to select my trigger by clicking in the trigger box. And my triggering app is going to be Google Sheets. The event is going to be a new spreadsheet row. I want to make sure I'm connected to Google. If you have any issues connecting to the apps using this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. You'll also need to select which files or folders are shared with Workload. All of these files are already shared with Workload, so I can continue. So I'm going to be using this task list file. So I'm going to select that spreadsheet, task list. This is just sheet 1. It's a one-paged spreadsheet. And we'll test our trigger. So we have a task that is in our task list to put up Halloween decorations. We have the description of the task, we have a priority, we have the due date. So we can use that to create our workflow. Our action step is going to be in Google Tasks. And we are going to create task. Make sure we're connected to Google Task account. I'm going to select the task list that I want to add this task to, which is going to be my tasks. So every time there's a new row added to that particular spreadsheet, it's going to add a new task to this particular task list. The title of the task is going to come from our trigger. So I'll come to this drop-down menu and find the column that matches up with the title, the notes, and then the due date. Now I'm noticing it wants this due date to be in a particular format, and that's not the format that we have here. So I'm going to copy this format. I'm going to add a step in between steps 1 and 2 by clicking on the plus sign, add a step. I'm going to select our tools. We're going to use the AI wizard by Workload. Prompt your data. The input data is going to be that due date. And the prompt is going to be convert to, and then I'm going to paste in that format. I'll click continue and test the action. So now we have that date in the proper format. We can click continue, come back to step 3, jump down to our action step, come to the due date. I'm going to select the prompt your data in AI wizard by Workload, and then select that date. I'm going to click continue and test this action. We have a success, so I can click continue here. I can look over at Google Tasks, and I can see put up Halloween decorations with the description and the due date was all just added to Google Tasks. So I can come back over to the workload editor. I can check and make sure there's a green dot in each of my nodes, and then I can activate my workflow. And now every time there's a new spreadsheet row added to Google Sheets, the AI wizard will format the data so it can be used to create a new task in Google Tasks. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that automatically creates a task whenever a spreadsheet row is added in Google Sheets. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices follow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.